The tongue is the strongest muscle in any animal that possesses it, having many uses. It enables language. For some animals, it helps them groom themselves. For human beings, it is an appendage that allows expressing love and passion and picking things up from the ground. But its main function is aimed at feeding, whether it is to move the food bolus from one side to the other in the mouth, to soak it in saliva that contains pectin and allow digestion, to know if a food is suitable for consumption and identify its taste, or to capture your next meal. However, the animal that would win a competition in terms of strength and speed of this muscle is the chameleon. The tongue is its main way of capturing its prey, which consists of insects and arachnids among others. They are not fast animals when it comes to moving around, so their food would quickly escape if they got too close to it. That is why they use their tongue, which projects more than twice its body length. That is to say, a Jackson's chameleon that measures 30 centimeters as an adult can stretch its tongue up to 90 centimeters, making it one of the animals with the longest tongue. It should be noted that some studies indicate that the smaller the chameleon, the more it can stretch its appendage. This does not stop at its size. They're capable of projecting their tongue at a speed of 97 kilometers per hour, which has an acceleration from 1 to 100 in 1 second. Therefore, they can hunt insects in full flight. Even when these are about to escape, the tongue will have hit them before they realize what is happening. They achieve this because the tongue muscles have a shape very similar to that of an accordion, and when they contract, they produce a chain reaction that allows the tongue to decrease its diameter but increase in length. By contracting quickly, the tongue shoots out at such speed, which is given the name of elastic retraction. Furthermore, it is anchored to the hyoid bone, which has a particular shape located in the posterior part inside the mouth, allowing it to move the tongue at will. Next come the accelerator muscles, which contract quickly so that it shoots out, the contractor muscles, which function like an accordion called the glossohyal, and finally a sticky tip, much wider, that allows it to hold its prey, hit it to stun it, and bring it into its mouth when the muscles relax, making the impact it receives practically lethal. And even when the weather is cold, which makes reptiles move slowly due to their climatic thermoregulation, the tongue comes out at the same speed. Once they have fixed their prey with their eyes that can move in any direction, it has little chance of surviving a chameleon's attack. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, give it a like and share it so that more people can discover this channel. If you are new, I invite you to subscribe and don't forget to leave a comment or any question you may have. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later. Bye.